Okay, hi again. Well, I'm in this beautiful spot on the edge of the Lake District. Can't remember the name of the lake. I'll add that in later on. But it's beautiful. And I've come to paint, but I stupidly, I'll show you, I've left my, look. Ooh. Sorry, I've left the board for I've got a piece that clips on there that I can attach my canvas to, and I've left it at home. So I'm improvising by just squidging that in there, and hopefully that'll keep it stable enough for me to paint. So I want to keep it quite loose. So I'm going to try and time myself to paint no more than maybe an hour and a half. The other reason is I've got to get back because I'm having my nails done. And I've got to take these nails off because they're getting too long now, they're getting in the way. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So let's see how I get on. Well, I set up my palette. And I've got Payne's Grey, Purple Lake, Ultramarine Blue, Cerulean Blue, Alizarin Crimson, Cadmium Red. This is the Transparent Oxide Yellow from Michael Harding. It's a really nice colour. Cadmium Yellow, Naples Yellow and Titanium White. And I've mixed up some of the shades that I think I'm going to need. And I've started sketch out, you can see there, what I'm going to do, and let's see how we get on.